Hello, Jeffrey Hauser returning for part 2 of this series on optimizing Angular components for reuse. In the previous episode, I created a list component that loops over some array of data and displays it. The component we made last time only supports simple values, so it has to be an array of either strings or integers. This time, we're going to extend that component to support objects. First thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a new object to DataProvider that's going to be an array of objects. This is going to be very similar to the data we saw last time. So each element in the array is going to be an object. Each object is going to have a single property named label, and each label is going to have a string. So I'm once again going to copy and paste just once again a bunch of nonsense names. I'm gonna comment out this. Actually, let's leave this here. So this is data provider with simple strings, and we'll do data provider with object. So it was object data provider. And I still have the app running in the background, so compiled successfully. And simple strings, that works as expected. With objects, we're not actually displaying that label, that property inside the object. We're displaying just object. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop open the list component HTML, and we're going to change this to data.label. If you think about what's going on here, you can probably guess what's going to happen. The fact is we're going to see, well, actually exactly, the object works, but now the simple strings no longer work. Because we changed the internal structure, we can't introspect into an object. Let's see, did we get any errors when we ran this? Nope, no console errors. There's just the internal component just didn't work. This is a problem we're going to want to solve when we're optimizing a component for reuse. But it's actually a problem I want to put aside for now. I want to focus on data providers with objects. So I'm going to end this episode. I'll be back to talk about tweaks we can make to support objects and unknown objects. Then I'll loop back and show you how we can architect our component to support both simple values and object values.